All right. Back here on Wick's Raptor. Look at the stock-ish front brakes. With the same damn 2-piston caliper every F-150 on the planet has. That's great for a stock V6 F-150.
Right, exactly.
Not so much for this. That's okay. Wick went shopping and we're going to solve that problem. Woo! Woo! Yummy. Nice. 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 Look, goodies. All right, we're going to dig in. Got the bracket off. Boom. Moved our ABS sensor wire. Undid the clip here for the lockup on the hub. These are always fun to deal with. Get the caliper loose. Just gonna finish that last bolt, pull that off, pull the rotor off, and then we can start assembling. Pretty straightforward, huh, Wick?
Pretty much.
I mean, it's so easy, even Scotty can figure out how to do it.
Yeah, even if I was drunk.
That's the spirit. No, when it's on there square, it won't.
Alright.
It's just gonna square up. Oh. Hold on. Maybe it does. Look. It's touching for sure.
That's not a good thing.
I'm gonna pull that off and maybe we just put a little. Oh yeah, look at witness mark.
Put some spacers on it.
Not on the rotor. What if we just that back a little?
Yes, we can do here. Down here, we don't have much clearance.
Could have possibly gotten bent during a previous brake job too. All right, we'll figure that out, and then we'll go from there. So we tried to clearance the backing plates to get it to clear, and no matter what you do, it's always going to hit, especially right here behind the tie rod and the spindle. So we're just going to pull them. 3 8mm, bing, bang, boom, done. Hey, look, much better. You don't need no stinking dust shield.
No, I'm just going to be rubbing on the rotor.
Yeah, stopping is more important than slight dust control.
Yeah.
All right, looks good. Pretty. Isn't that sexy? Wait, is that sexy or what?
Totally.
That's fucking hot. I love it. All right, got the calipers bolted on. 120 foot-pounds with what, red Loctite?
Yeah.
271. Bam, done. All right, so pads are in, clips are in. What's funny is these on this side, loosey-goosey, they come with these, where's some little retainer clippies? In the bag here. Careful, I won't dump them. They come with these. But we look it up, and it doesn't make any sense on how it's supposed to go, so we're having a conundrum. Yay, conundrums. Scotty, I know big words.
I'm trying to figure out who actually taught you that, because you're not supposed to know how to.
Also, McLaren F1 sucks. Oracle Red Bull.
I have that too.
I know, I got a shirt and a hat and like 5 die-casts. I have a problem. Me? A die-cast car problem?
A problem?
I have multiple collectible problems. That's a whole nother story. Right, that looks pretty damn good. Got our lines all in. We used the stock bracket, cut them off the OE lines, and then crimped them so these will slide, but not fall out. Got this angled under the arm to protect it. All our tabs are in. Everything is tight. We are ready to start bleeding our brakes. If we're breeding our brakes. Ay. Look the outside. Sexy. Well done. Ford should have done it this way in the first place. Got everything to lead. We're gonna torque the wheels here in a minute. It's just seating them. What's fun is you walk up to it now and it's like, ooh, there's a little something something in there.
Those seems like they're clear.
Look at that.
Just barely, but they do.
Yeah. That's cool though. It's like, what you got hiding in there?